Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Vijay and I take care of sales and marketing from Tata Valley Homes. Today I welcome Zirix on behalf of Tata Valley Homes. Quickly I'll brief you about the company background and then we'll take you to the sample show flat. Tata is such a brand which doesn't require any introduction, but precisely if I talk about real estate, so it's been 35 years that Tata is into real estate and till date we have 55 projects across India. Out of 55 projects, approximately 30 to 40 projects have been successfully delivered. There are certain projects which are ongoing. I'll be showcasing you Eureka Park. So this is the debut project of Tata. This is the first time that we are coming up into Noida, especially in Sector 150. Let me just give you a brief about the Sector 150. It's the biggest sector of Noida, spread across 650 acres, greenest sector of Noida, and this is the sector with the lowest density. So here the number of apartments per acre are very less as compared to the rest of the sectors of Noida. And here we have all the top-notch developers under one roof. The major advantage of this sector is Xavier Airport. So airport is exactly 30 to 35 kilometers drive from my place and it takes a drive of 30-40 minutes only. We have come up with 3 typologies. The smallest one is 1100 square feet, that is 2 BHK plus 2 toilet. The second one is 1285, that is 3 BHK plus 2 toilet. And last one is 1575, 3 BHK plus 4 toilet. So let me just showcase you my 1575 square feet apartment. So we have a theme of smart home. There are a couple of things which we are giving as a smart home in our apartments. So first of all, our campus will be Wi-Fi enabled through optical fibers. So the internet speed is going to be very high. And apart from that, there are certain things which I'll showcase inside the sample flat. Just to start with, there is an audio video doorbell. So once you press the bell, it is all connected through your app. It's an app-based system. Even if you're inside your home or anywhere in the world, you'll get the live video streaming. You can chat with the person standing outside the door, and from that app you can lock and unlock the door. So smart door lock, it is operational in 3 ways. Number 1, password protected. Number 2, thumb impression, and number 3, can be operated through keys manually. So while entering, there is a foyer area, and then with the foyer area, here we have our living dining. So this is our living area. Along with the living, we have a balcony, which is 5 feet balcony. And moving on, then we have a dining area attached with our living dining. Then dining area is attached with kitchen. This is our kitchen, and again this kitchen has a utility balcony. Utility balcony, there is a provision of washing machine. Inflow and outflow of water will be there, so you can place your machine here only. And with this balcony we have a servant washroom. Although this washroom you can use it as a storeroom or puja room, depends on your requirement and usage. We are providing smart auto gas leakage detector. So how it will operate, in case your gas leaks or your knob is turned on and you are unaware of that, so your motion sensor will sense it. It will send a notification on your app, and through this app you can turn off your main PNG connection. Then we have a washroom which will be attached to your living and dining hall, and the washroom will be as it is shown in the sample apartment. Now, this is our first bedroom along with the wardrobe. So there will be a cupboard space. This is how the wardrobe would look like. Then there is a lobby area, and from this lobby we'll be connecting to a master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom, and with master bedroom we have a dressing area or a powder area, and with dressing area we have a master washroom. One more thing to add on, in all the washroom we'll be giving motion sensor lights. So the moment you step in, lights will turn on. The moment you step out, lights will turn off. Then taking you towards the best part of my apartment, this is a running balcony attached with 2 bedrooms. This is a 20 feet wide balcony. So this balcony will be either your park facing or golf course facing. As you can see my balcony, you can place your couch, you can do plantation or whatever you want. So it will give you a soothing look and a view. Then I'll take you towards my 3rd bedroom or a study room, because it's a study room, but then the room sizes are very good, so you can use it as a bedroom as well. And this bedroom is while the entry. Again, this bedroom also has an attached washroom with motion sensor lights, and then we have a double cupboard space with this bedroom. And then obviously we have window with this bedroom just for the ventilation purpose. Lastly, there are a couple of things which Tata will give you. Number one, it's a SBI funded project. There are very limited projects that SBI funds. So Tata is one of them. So it's a SBI funded project. So you have the more reliability on the project, the more authentic the project is. And as per RERA, we'll be offering you the position on 31st March 2023. So these are some of the things which Tata gives you apart from the smart home and everything. Like I said, it's a smart home. So there are a lot of features which we are giving in our apartments. Just to start with, there is an app, as you can see in my mobile phone. So it's a complete app based guest room. So I've clicked guest room, and if I want to turn off or on the lights or fan or AC or any electronic appliances, I can just simply go on the app, click on the button, and everything is handy. You can switch on the lights, switch off the lights. This is how it works. For example, we are standing in living dining hall and we want to operate the lighting and everything. So here the light gets turned off, as you can see, and if I want to turn on, and likewise AC, refrigerator, television, everything will be app based. So this was the tour of 3 BHK plus 4 washrooms in Tata Eureka Park. So if you like the project and if you want a luxury in an affordable price, please do recommend everybody to visit Tata Value Homes, Eureka Park, Sector 150. And for any further questions, please feel free to call us or reach out us under the below mentioned number. Do share, like and comment and reach out to us. Thank you so much.